Hello members, my name is Rajat. In this video, I am going to tell you 10 reasons why every chartered accountant should pursue DISA, that is Information Systems Audit. Before I begin, do subscribe my channel Rajat to get notification of similar video. So here I go. My first reason is being an auditor, DISA qualification will be must. Down the line, maybe 1 or 2 years. Reason is simple. Most of the organization will be system driven, where all the processing and controls will be integrated through computers. There will be minimum manual intervention. In such scenario, our traditional audit approach will not work. In system driven scenario, auditor need to know about system integration, system processing, data security, encryption techniques, network security, system availability and backup processing. As a DISA holder, you will have an edge over traditional auditors. I recommend you to consider CISA also once you complete DISA. So this was the first reason. Here comes my second reason. RBI, SEBI and ICAI has already mandated annual systems audit of all banks, broking houses and insurance companies. This is the biggest reason for all the practicing chartered accountant. This is an addition to statutory and internal audits. DISA has been recognized as one of the qualification for systems auditor. Huge scope awaits for DISA qualified professional. Now comes the third reason. For internal audits, audit firms with DISA qualified partners are preferred by the organizations. So this is the third reason for internal audits. Fourth reason is for employment. In employment also, DISA qualified members are in huge demand. Now my fifth reason. DISA qualification opens up avenues in the field of information security, business continuity and IT risk management and other related field. Now the sixth reason is stringent data privacy laws like GDPR and draft version of data protection bill in India already have created stiff demand of DISA qualified professionals. Now my seventh reason for practicing chartered accountants. In many government audits, Information Systems Audit by ICAI is made mandatory for applying for appointment. Thus, if none of the partners or sole proprietor of the firm has these certifications, they are not eligible to apply. Now, my eighth reason. Practically almost all good companies are working in IT environment. This certification helps the auditor to perform test of IT controls, which is especially relevant these days as auditors have to report on internal financial controls over financial reporting. So this is the important reasons for doing Information Systems Audit. So now here comes the ninth reason. After these certifications, a CA can become faculty of ITT and Advanced ITT or IAC courses of ICAI, thus providing other sources of income. So this may be the ninth reason. And the 10th and the last reason is it opens up opportunities to provide IT risk advisory and other IT related advisory to clients. Now after knowing this 10 reasons, you can understand why I said every chartered accountant should pursue DISA. So if you are planning to do DISA, we will help you get this certification with our personal coachings through video lectures and online test papers. For that, you can visit on prokhata.com.